Hi, my name is Deanie. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, and I wanted to tell you about how much I like the My Greenfields laundry detergent. We tried the unscented detergent and rinse, and it worked out really well for our family. I clean my husband's dirty work clothes. He's in the trades and he gets really filthy. He works at a hospital, so he's exposed to a lot of odd things, and I was really happy that this worked so well. Plus, it's a non-toxic product, and then I just felt better about using this to put on our clothes. I chose the unscented option because sometimes we are sensitive to smells, and that worked out really, really good in our case. And I was pleased that this container as well, I won't have to keep buying plastic containers. I can keep reusing this one with the refills they send. So all in all, it performed well. The price was very reasonable. It's a more natural product, and I feel like I'm contributing less to plastic in the world. So I wanted to just share this because I don't know how often you get to hear about something like this that really works. So thanks.